Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Bombard! Kino lifestyle video. He mean it, you know, me a going to go watch it. No, sir. I remember me in the video, you know. Yeah. And me a go take it in. No, we a go watch it. Oh. Yeah.
Akeynote. Yeah.
So, how many video cut go? How many video go? So the video just done, so. No, man. Me have got friends say me can't find it little more pan this. No, sir. I can't eat that. How the video just done, sir? I just did this. No, me have to look for this.
Blessed love, guys. As you can see, I am on the journey. You know, I'm on the journey heading to Treasure Beach once more again. You know, I'm going back to studio. You know, quick and fast mission. You know, I was going to record another track, another two track. You know, so guys, I'm just starting out a compilation. You know, so whenever it's time for me to launch, there's a body of songs there where you guys can go and check out, you know. So I know, remember, be patient, be patient, be patient, be patient. Yes, I know it's overdue. I know a long time now, I don't want to see the video drop, but just be patient, you know, and give a little time. You will see it soon. You will see it soon, definitely soon. Some of these drivers are crazy. Yes, just give me a little time, you know, you will see it soon, you know. So I'm heading down there now to record another 2 tracks to add to my compilation, you know, for my EP, you know. But we need a body of song for whenever I release a song. There's other songs behind it to back it up, you know. Because remember, I stopped doing music for a good while now, you know, from 2001. The last song I recorded was 2015. Yeah, the last song I recorded was in 2015, and it was that R.I.P. track that most of you guys probably hear it, you know, that R.I.P. track that I done, and that song done from 2015. Yeah. Hold on. 2015. Yeah. 2015. Sorry. I was trying to remember. Yeah. 2015. I done that track. Yeah. You know. So we ready now for the road. You know, getting tracks done, getting the work done. So you know, I have to always make that trip. You know. So guys, you probably wonder why I always travel to Treasure Beach to go studio, and there's a studio over by where my stepdad is and everything, you know. It's different vibration, you know. So different producers. So everyone always have a producer that they used to working with that, you know, works good. So I used to that producer, which is Satnam. It's very good, you know. I'm not saying that other stuff is not good, but you know, energy, you need a chemistry from your producer, you know, and I got a good chemistry with this producer, so I like working with him, you know. So that is the mission. You know, guys, that is the mission. So I just need to just get these tracks out of the way. And trust me, the video is gonna drop anytime soon because the video is ready. So it's just us to set a publishing date. You know, after we got this, get the song published and everything, and the video will be ready to drop. You know, so everything is smooth sailing and everything is ready right now. So you just God on time. So blessed love and stay tuned. You know, I'm gonna say this is a quick mission going there and back. You're not gonna get too much footage of down there, you know, because I'm gonna also be busy in the studio. You know, so I'll probably give you all 1 and 2 sightseeing of the area, you know, and everything. But otherwise, I'm gonna be busy in the studio. You know, but don't worry, I'll be returning back as soon as possible. So, peace. Well, guys, listen. As soon as I reach, straight to the studio. So I'm just literally get back to come at my room. You know, I've been at the studio. Guys, from I came, I've been at the studio. This is the first chance I'm literally getting. From I came, I was at the studio straight. You know, as soon as I land, I just come straight. I went straight to the studio, so I'm literally just reaching here at the Airbnb. So well, good morning. Rise and shine, I give God the glory. Rise and shine, and I give God the glory. Good morning. Yes, guys, so I rise. I'm gonna have a little breakfast. And you know the thing goes straight to studio. So hold on. Yeah, so whenever I rise straight to studio. So guys, I'm saying this is like the rustic vibe type of place. You see? Rustic. Yeah, so you know the thing go. I wake up, got dressed. My bed not spread yet. You know, even though it should have spread already, but yeah. You know, see there? Get up out of the bed, I'm gonna spread it. My mother never brought me like this. Put my well have on clothes and ready. And then I go spread bed after. So I'm packed and ready. Got my headphone, my phones, and everything to go to studio. You know, make sure I got my chargers and everything is ready. Actually ready, so I brought I make sure I brought my iBus Spice drinks. I know I can't go nowhere without my iBus Spice drinks. So these are from iBus Spice, my herbal aid, beetroot and passion. So this is how I always travel, you know. And this is my nut buster from Yaya. So this one is well frozen. trust me, and I got some blend up juice there as well too. So all natural. Keep the thing natural, keep the thing going, you know the thing go. So you see that? Live the life you love, you know, love the life you live. Live the life you love the life you live. Live the life you love. And see her there, she's African queen. Alright, so rise and shine, show you how beautiful outside is. I just love the glass door because this glass part, as you step out, here is like a nice sitting area. No one cannot see through, you know, relaxation. So, have a look, see this? Music signal. Dance them a dance. You know, so here, well, I never get to sit here last night and do anything. So hopefully I will do so. So step outside my room, and this is what you see. You got a pool there and everything. I said, but it's quite sunny today. The sun is bright, and I like place is green, the lush, the beauty of it, everything is nice, as you can see. Beautiful. And let's like the scenery of this. You know, this is the only place I stay when I come here. Good morning.
Strawberry?
This one is called strawberry, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Anything for your room, are you okay?
Well, it's okay because my first morning for now.
Alright.
Alright?
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. This is just my spot for whenever I come down here. Trust me, I love the beauty of all of that. Natural. Let me show you the nature, the beauty of everything here and all of that. Woo, beautiful. Bless. So, welcome to this morning. So this is when I usually wake up in the morning and I come out here. Or in the evening after studio session, I'll come and relax here, listen to this sound. You have a bed there, you know, but before Melissa, there was like a tree literally right off here. There was a tree right off here. Couple benches, you know, couple more shades. But since Melissa came, she took everything and leave everything open up. So you can guess what going after that. The sun does pour right in. So beautiful. Peace and the tranquility. Listen to this sound of the wave rushing in. It is a beauty, you know. This is why I like coming here, you know. The Almighty never choose a better place for me to come and record my music. You know, imagine out of all the noise and everything, you know, imagine coming to the studio in a location like this, and you get up and you have this to go and deal with, and afternoon you go to the studio. Or if you want to take about some notes, take about some melodies or something, what's more better than right ears, you know, relaxing, listening to this, you know. But I'm gonna go to get some breakfast done by the side of where the studio is, by Miss Dawn's. You know, I like eating breakfast done by Miss Dawn. She do some good breakfast. Not saying they don't do breakfast here, but I used to getting breakfast from Dawn right away. So that's where I'm gonna head to, you know, and yeah, and then relax and wait a bit for studio time again for later on. Miss Dawn.
Akeynote, yeah.
So guys, so there goes the preview, of the video. With this song and this video, I really don't want to give away too much, even about the song. But trust me, this is literally like it's worth waiting, worth anticipating, and it's worth wondering, when is it going to drop? As you can see, it's a powerful song. The video is very powerful, and it's literally, let me see, it's literally my first video since 2015 and my first recording track since 2015, when I literally walked away from the music, so I can say this is a better version of me then, because no point coming into music and evolve, because life is about evolve. So we have to know that we have to evolve in life. Anything that you're doing, if you're not evolving, something is wrong. You need to check your mental, because sometimes you're only holding back your own self, which is, I was doing that in my music as well too. I was giving myself excuses. Yeah, literally giving myself excuses, after everything. And understandable, because sometimes you have to go through stuff for you to literally awake, to reality. And I can put my hands up and say I was one of them that was literally, I was sleeping, because of situation that I was going through, so I literally awaken, which is a lot of us need to be wake up to reality and just know what life is, find out your purpose. So, but we have to be the example, we have to be the example. Don't just set the example, but just to be the example, to shine such a light that it will vibrate, and it will rub off, radiate on other people as well too, so just like what I'm doing is very aspiring, inspiring to a lot of people. So I am literally being the example, not setting the example by just doing the right thing, which is doing good, because everyone have a choice doing good or doing bad. So the reality of life, is what we need to look in the mirror and look at that person, that image that you see in the mirror, to make the change from before the change can literally vibrate to someone else. So it all starts from you. You see me? It's not that person or that person around you and that person. No, it's all about you. And sometimes you have to make sacrifices. Sacrifice sometimes is the hardest thing to literally to make. But we say it's the hardest thing to make because of attachment. So attachment plays a part as well too. So we have to understand, because for instance, when we born to come on this universe, when we first came out of our parents, out of our mother, we never knew that we was gonna die. How born innocent and say yes, well, welcome to this new world. Growing up, first couple of years, 3, 4, probably what age you realize, I don't know what age most of us realize, or what age we remember that, hey, we all going to die. You understand? But there's some point in time in life when you realize one day we all have to die. So with that said and done, I made the choice, within myself to know that I have to focus on my purpose. I have to do my duty of serving my purpose, which is everyone have a purpose that align within them, which is them have to try to figure that out, and part of my purpose is about showing love and compassion, so it's the reason why I try to stay away from all negativity, which is negative and positive. It's all from the same creator, it's the same yin and yang, so it's part of life. So you use one, to understand the other. So you use the negative to understand the positive. You use the positive to understand the negative. So it's vice versa. So it does work. But it's about what you want to do when you understand about the two. It's all of your choice. Do I want to do the positive or do I want to do the negative? But we appreciate it, because everything is all from the creation. So guys, as I say, you don't have to listen to what I'm saying. I'm just saying from my opinion, because the world have a lot of opinions, from individuals, and we do attend sometimes to disagree with someone else's opinion, which is all in human nature. But we have to understand, everyone has the right to voice their own opinion. You don't have to agree. You don't have to listen. You can make it fly through the next years. It will resonate some way, somehow. So I see it that way, that I always say, I think that life is not what you think it is, it's just how you live it. So it's what you put out, you will literally get back. So anything you put out, you will literally get it back. It might not come back the way how you put it out, but you will get it back in a different way that it amplifies as the same that you put out. So I decided within the music, I want to make an impact, just like the work that I'm doing. So I want to make my music to make an impact. I don't want to do music because of ego. I want to reach out to the music and really. People do that because they have them talent. Obviously, people have them talent that they want to make it out of society. Want to make it to a better person by doing music. But yeah, I'm good. But my intentions and my initiatives are clear. And I give thanks. So I just want to push out the love, and just show that part of me that's been inside of me want to release for some reason, because nothing happened for coincidence. There's nothing is a coincidence. So everything put place, with Satnam, and the Treasure and Buds records with Satnam through the soul course, the way how we connected, the way we meet in the first place because of the program also, and to know that with the music that I'm doing, I really got a strong team beside me, literally pushing me for the music. And I mean strong and powerful team, which is, I never expect I could have a team like this in my corner pushing me out for me to go and do the music, through the soul course. So, if you always big up my brother Satnam and also Wiz, as well to big up yourself Wiz. And, we also have a genius here. We have a Satnam wife, Sandra, as well too. I must say, we really got a strong team in this music thing. And I look at it sometime and I'm like, oh, like we are blessed, but we have to just literally stay on the path and don't derail, because a lot of us literally derail from our journey. Because once the train is on the track, there's come to a point you feel like you don't want to follow that track anymore, and we got derail. And then we start to blame ourselves, say we salt and say we this and say we that. But that's why it comes to faith, we all have to have faith, understand? And faith require patience, they goes hand in hand, so once you have faith, man, and just believe in the unseen, because we cannot see it. Just because we cannot see it, some people don't want to believe it. So everything is within, everything is within. So you think it, so is it. So your task becomes your reality also, so we have to just focus on what we want and don't focus on what we don't want. But for some reason, that happens mostly in human nature. Most people tend to focus on things that they don't want and things that they don't like. So we keep on getting those stuff back to us. So it's the most to think about what you really want, and focus on that and feel like you already have it, and feel good in yourself for you to literally see the result. I'm putting my hands up because I'm a prime experience of that, so yes guys, so I'm saying stay tuned, stay tuned and watch what I go on. I'm going to give you a next glimpse again of the video, and let me say there's much more. Please go over and subscribe to Akeynote Vevo, please go over and subscribe, because that's where the music video is going to officially launch, right over there. So let's go over there, Akeynote Vevo, Akeynote, the Vevo channel, which is the music channel. So Akeynote is all in one word, so stay tuned. So guys, let me say blessed love, peace, dream team. So check it out, another clip of what's coming. Listen to the sound.
Akeynote, yeah.
Well guys, blessed love. So guys, as I say, I wasn't doing any much footage down here, at Treasure Beach, because it only came for studio, so I never got to do any much content, so as you can see from what I do so far while I was here, and now I am saying that it was a wonderful session. It's all done and wrapped up now. Done a couple of songs, and now I'm heading back into Kingston. Now I'm heading back into Kingston. So the session is finished and everything. Sorry I never gave you guys more footage of Treasure Beach, of the studio session and all of that. But yeah, let me tell you what happened most time. I reached the studio and I ordered a breakfast. And I'm telling you, sometimes I don't get the chance to eat the breakfast on time, because when you're in the zone, the element, it's like you find it hard sometimes to stop and do anything else, and that's one thing with music. Once you're in the element, you just don't want to come out, so that's how it goes sometimes. You know, so I go there early, and then I never leave till evening because I know I only come down here to do the studio, so we have to put all the time in the studio. You know, so I don't time to go and do any much content. You know, because it's musically while I come down here anyway. So it's just that, guys. So sorry if you haven't seen any much, but yeah, I'm heading to Kingston right now as we speak. You know, because I have to also be on the ground because Sister Felly is coming again. You know, so you don't know the thing. Sister Felly is coming back here to JA. You know, she's coming back here to JA. So she's here. She's coming back soon. So, and guys, and please remember to go over and subscribe to the Akeynote Vevo channel. You know, that is where all my music is gonna be dropped. That's where all the music is going to drop, all the music videos and everything for the music side. That's where you're gonna see it. So please subscribe. See it there, Akeynote Vevo. Go and subscribe. Thank you. Blessings. Akeynote Vevo. I wouldn't say I do that way, I know when I go that way ever. Yeah. Alright guys, well, let's say love downtown. I'm literally gonna try and source and see where I can get a bunk bed for the kids. You know, so we're gonna start buying up some stuff, you know, from now. So we don't really have to wait to get too much things at one time to go across the river. So the main thing right now is to get the bunk bed. So we're gonna source and see where we can get the bunk bed, and then after now we have to buy the bed now for the daddy as well too. You know, for the mom and dad, and also chest drawer and all them stuff. So the main thing to buy now is the bunk bed. You know, so down here we have Pinedo is here. Pinedo is here. We have Boom over there. On Pinedo. And we have Esther and Shara is here. And Daniela. In downtown. So where are for me?
Deep freeze and sale, washing machine and sale, stove and fan.
You sell bunk bed?
Come look it, come grab it.
Yeah. Let me see. How much is it?
What size you want? Single you want? Single, double?
Single.
Single? Give me 85.
85?
Yeah.
What type of bunk bed is that?
Sponsor.
Reasonable price. Sale, TV on sale, deep freeze on sale, washing machine
I saw
on
bunk bed
sale,
price gone up 85,000.
Come look it, come grab it. Sale, reasonable price.
You don't have it here?
Reasonable price. Sale, TV on sale.
85. We're gonna walk and check and see what's it, if any get any other price. They're saying 85,000 right here. You know, but what we're gonna do, we're gonna walk and check some more, and then we can come back, because it's not, you don't have the bed in here as well too.
Washing machine on sale, on sale. Sale, reasonable price.
पीने के लिए अरे अंदर बहुत गंदा है पानी नहीं है अरे बहुत गंदा है पानी नहीं है बंदे बोलो पानी नहीं है उसमें
Stove and fan on sale. Come look it, come grab it. Sale out, reasonable price. Reasonable price.
But the price is not so unreasonable. Guys, them say 85,000 for that one then. Yeah, 85,000. That's way too much. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna continue to walk and source and get the price for it and see if they're serious. Because when we did buy the bed for Natisha, we never pay so much. You know? So
I say I got big
Jesus Christ, we like the position there. We like the position there.
back to school. Back to school treat.
Oh yeah, but stop there one here when I start now.
We'd have to set up
Yeah.
something, man. Chop all up something.
You can overwork. And you get less winning the from it. When it
That's two, yeah. That's three that two have though.
What's the word there on the side going down, you know?
Now we say wash and come up.
I'll come up back on. Oh.
Yeah. No. Marcus.
Remember from the TV?
Yeah,
and then bring it down on the next one.
Yeah.
Realize.
Marcus sent me a. Cool man. One bad bro. Cool man. Marcus sent me invitation to come and wedding time and get married.
In country.
Yeah. India. Yeah. So we have a 6 o'clock.
What did you give me? I'm going to sell. Which one? Single one, single, yeah.
Metal.
Iron one. 50,000. 50.
50. So 50. Yeah. Yeah. So the first place we stop say 85. The next place we stop say 50, and we just pass up a place we sell the board one, which is. No, should I know the width? Like this can one
If I single 40.
Single by single, this 50,000.
Yeah, but there's a 40 by one.
Look on the matches, look on the side.
Yeah, make you see. I the man run us a 85. That's it.
Single by single like this, yes? Do you want the matches also?
Yeah, I got it. Yeah. So this is the matches that fit it as well?
Yeah, this matches fit it. So 50,000 bunk bedded, and you want this matches for 20,000.
Oh, 20,000.
90, but I can give for 85.
Yeah, for 85 everything.
Everything.
Oh, mattress.
80. Thank you for 80 and done.
Huh?
80. Yeah, 80, that better.
Give me 80. Come.
80.
Yeah?
I'm gonna check my aunt and come back, yeah? But I'm gonna walk and come back.
Just you pay for them.
In a box of it?
Yeah.
Right there.
Where's the
Box in
back?
Upstairs.
Upstairs.
Yeah.
Alright, where come? Them some just check out the price and
Yeah.
let them know.
Remember you tell me 18, right? For the two mattress
Yeah.
and that. Right, so just give me a minute, yeah, bro?
Yeah.
Eh?
When the mattress is coming into that.
You want to run this, huh?
Yeah, you think that mattress into that? And where the mattress in my tent to them?
I don't I wonder.
A must.
Nobody asked him. Because we wonder if it will come with mattress.
Think of it.
Because I really want for someone with makeup.
They want to see the board one, you know, you see, for me the board are more stronger than the iron. Because the iron, they're weak iron now.
Yeah.
Yeah, the iron is simply.
I'm going to look on the board then and see what the board says. Because even if we can catch one where we can make up already.
Martin just come now, see it.
Good day. Yeah,
Bashka though. Go check Bashka. Check Bashka. Bashka over here, sir. Casco, remember Casco? I them turn.
No, because they might use the name. They shouldn't use the name. I have Casper Fern, you know.
Yeah.
So they might use the name so they do that. They put them and
Oh, they're changing. But taxi from town run go Papi in though.
Yeah.
So even when the time come look at the charter, one of them.
I made them come
Yeah, man. So the price is even better. Hello? No bunk bed? Thank you. No bunk bed. Bashka have no bunk bed. We go through this and go up on King Street. On the sell bunk bed?
Yeah.
This is there, yeah?
I carry the thing at night time too. Yeah, shoot. I carry the thing at night time. Come with the idea, yeah.
Yeah, we are catching bed. Yeah, we are catching bed. Whole I bed I catch, yeah. Ma.
Those are the sponsors. So you can't feel my voice.
Mr. Jamaica, Fury Island. Oh, it's down on the spot. Yeah guys, so downtown now we just enter King Street. We are passing through. Check over here, so check over here. have bunk bed?
Bunk bed, no boss.
No bunk bed.
Bunk bed, hey, kapne boss. Bunk bed.
Alright, thanks.
In a bargain center.
Courts.
Like people take things and no finish pay them, take them back.
Oh, take them back.
Fair price.
Bunk bed?
Bunk bed?
Bunk bed.
Yeah.
Let me see.
Black point. Okay, collect iron holder for me and one
वो तो है ना वो लेने के लिए आया था एंट्रेंस टेबल वो है
This one is
और बाकी
75
के ये सब अपने साथ
with mattress, everything.
with mattress. This look nice though. 75 not so bad though. Well, plus him will give you a good discount.
Yeah.
And that one look alright though.
Yeah.
This thing is a master for the thing, woman. This thing is a master.
Alright guys, so basically that we can get that one, you know, we get a good knockoff price from it, you know, but so far that's the one that look more, that catch our eye more, you know, that one catch our eyes more. So I hope it catch you guys' eyes as well too. So if they got it in stock, cause checking out they have it in stock, then we're definitely gonna get that for sure. You know, if it's in stock, we're gonna get that one. You know, we'll just keep it in the box to when time the time is closer before we do the opening. Then we'll make it up. Then we have to go also come back to buy a chestnut jar for the dad as well too, and also a bed. You know, so we have those things to take care of. So tell me what you think about this one that we're getting. You know, 70.
5,000 will give me never tell you 74, 73, 70 will give flat.
5.
Hello. Other
Yeah, so
single bunk bed.
he says 75, Maggie you for 70. What do you think?
क्या मजा ले रहे हैं? किसके पास से उठाओगे? उसके पास से न्यूयॉर्क से कैसे उठाओगे?
So 75,000. How much that in the US again, Esther? 70,000. How much in the US that? In the 100 is a 15, 30, 60.
100 hour, 150, so 50, 500.
500 dollar. Yeah, so about 550 US. 550 US. Because we do, even we bring it up there, now we make them unwrap it yet closer to the time. That's why I don't get it from now. So we don't have too much things for go bring up them, because we still have to go buy a bed for the mother and a chestnut jar. So it's a one buy up the stuff them from now. So yeah, like in a box. We have to go bring it another day. Use a taxi or something for go away. We want to see the size box.
Then you have to what them say, the storeroom?
In my way. Can I say it's supposed to be pushing a year one? Can I your back longer? Yeah, this size.
Then make sure they make the wicked light up so you can say, you know, in the top.
Alright, well, so basically the guy who give us that price, he said they don't have any in stock yet till next week. So we're still walking and looking. We will just stop at another store to see if. So I guess here they have boards, so we're gonna look at what the board is like. Even with the board. Oh, I eat this?
Yeah, we have the states for it. We have something for climbing. They don't come upon each other.
Okay.
Are you see the rail?
We have the rail for it.
Or you mess with a rail something?
Yeah, man, we have it. We have it. And we have the mattress. So another one here.
So much you sell the board ones them for?
I got asked that how much best.
And them did tell the price I'm running Akeynote. And I see and them send around and they
Orange Street?
yeah.
How much him tell you? George?
This the 50.
How much him tell you?
I
50?
remember. Yeah.
Yeah. I think at the 50.
With mattress?
No. With the mattress I did 70 or something, but it ain't get discount.
Yeah.
Mm.
Iron them.
Yeah, man, because the iron them look slim and flimsy. Yeah.
So you da prefer the board?
Yeah, I prefer the board.
Esther, what da prefer?
Board.
Shire, what da prefer? Board.
Board.
Never throw about.
Yeah, that's a board.
The iron.
Yeah, man, sometimes the iron
And the flimsy one.
Yeah, just look too flimsy. It look alright and nice in the air, but
Everything was screwed up.
So we da prefer the board
Yes,
than the metal.
of course.
The
board.
that time they will start rocking.
If them even get like a whole and break, you can't fix it. So what the iron we have
Metal won't come in that box, you know, you have to go home and assemble it.
watch it up back, but when the iron get, you have to dash it out. Can, yeah.
You know them iron.
So everybody agree with the board then?
Yeah. What you will say?
Yeah, I come
No, but the majority, you know. If me at the court, the jury them don't beat me already, you know. You know?
Win for 5 against 1.
Yeah. So guys, so you see, the count gone against me, you know. So everybody 5 and you 6 and all the
7.
7. So the owner.
I don't want to see the one at the iron that see the feel the iron.
Yeah, come remember what
No, I used to sell the iron one, you know, but I stopped selling because I get a complaint if you can't serve them long.
Okay.
Understand?
So the board, they don't get no complaint with the board one?
Not as yet.
Not as yet?
Nobody.
Not as yet.
Nobody don't care about nothing complain.
When them
sell
with the iron, when them done with the iron.
And rocket.
All the step to go.
So the step, what kind of step you have to go up?
Same board.
Board.
Real.
Oh.
Hi, darling.
So where you do this? You hook it over the bed?
No, we screw it on.
Screw it on. Okay. So basically we have to go pay feet then. Yeah. At the best that you could do 65, nothing less. Release the stress.
Normally, I think the...
Maybe a promotion because I'm a YouTuber, so we can give yourself a shout out and tell them where to come and get anything they want.
I think normally it's a 45 for the bed itself without a mattress and 25 for the 2 mattress. Okay, I just tell her can give me 65.
So that's the best. 60 and call it a day, right? 60. So with the hammer, the way not the hammer, with the judge not the hammer.
Yeah, man.
And say case closed.
Yes.
Pinay the way say case closed.
Yes.
Boom say case closed.
You can put your keys and close.
Yeah. So what we have to do, literally I'm going to pay you for it. But I think we'd have to come back with a drive. Because it's going really far, you know. It's going all the way up into just out of Papine Square a little bit. Yeah. Which is the other further? Yeah. No. Half garden town room.
I put this stuff. We're gonna Irish. We're gonna Irish though.
You know Miami River?
No, we never go Miami
Okay.
River, but we know it not far.
Alright, but so.
That never seems far though. I go up on the hill.
Yeah, we have to go across the river with it up here.
So we-
Walk across the river.
Yeah, walk across the river.
We have to cross the bed.
Alright, but so we're gonna pay for it.
So before we pay, I just want you to like examine.
Yeah,
only
examine.
everything.
Yeah,
And
please.
the mattress then.
Oh, get them fitted and see.
Yeah.
Alright, so we could do that then.
Arlene.
So we gotta
the
examine it
mattress, what
first.
kind of mattress?
Huh?
Mattress.
Showing the mattress?
Yeah, they are there on.
So now go fit it up. We're gonna fit it up.
No,
So we see the
don't fit
exam.
on it.
No, you
Just go fit on it. Just show you what you have get.
Yeah.
So she'll show you the mattress now.
Alright.
Same thing, you can examine it.
Yeah. Alright, so basically now, so guys, I'm gonna get the one because I know the thing goes. So everyone agrees to the board. So we're gonna work with the majority. You know, so I don't know what you guys say. Who's watching? If you say board or you say metal. So right here, who's on the ground? Everyone agrees board. Right. So you can see. So this is the mattress, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So get the Pro Box now can't even carry them thing I go up, so
Pro box can carry.
the two
Not
the single,
everything, huh?
everything, the single bed with the two mattresses.
No, pan the top. Strap on the top.
Oh,
Strap
pan
on the top and you. Somebody go in at the Pro box
Green,
in at the front.
oh, green plate have to do it.
No? Rent place.
Red play can do it.
Every day they work it. You push the two mattresses in at the back and put them up on the top and tight. Cheap back, I take a shop and shop.
Tell me now.
Daniel.
Okay.
My board a bed there.
Put it on, where you do? Boy. Look, don't show it over like that, you gotta scratch it up.
Yeah.
Ah!
Yeah, like that. Can't say it's the right truth.
Come from this and I can come out for it. Come so.
Push me out, so.
Yeah, but you got to see. Maybe anywhere else.
Come.
No, I want to see top piece though.
No, but you
Yeah.
want to fit the mattress nice.
Yeah.
You can't fit on.
Can't fit. Shoe on the top on it now.
See it.
Top. Shoe on the top, put on the top on it.
Top. You want to see the top on it.
The boss said must put on the top so cause we
Yeah,
have to
step up put it on. Yeah,
Yeah.
you can see. I'm a pay. Come back one another day.
You look eyes.
Hmm?
You look eyes. Like the top. You want to see the top? Oh, I see.
Yeah. So guys, so
Yeah, man.
No.
I went to play school up at because the window them seal.
You're dead, man. Suffocate up here and dead.
The window them seal.
Williams. Where did that person?
hold it, see me at 30. Look where you are, turn on 30 grand. Yeah, big.
Sorry.
30 grand. Find the hole. Find the hole now.
I want gone in quick, you know. Slip in it. Go in?
No.
Find the hole, bro. Lift up back here, Pastor. Go in there.
Yeah.
Slip in good?
Yeah, man. Sleep in, you know.
Alright.
I said I'm going to low.
That's it, alone. Can't make it high.
No, I said low. Hey, mommy, ready?
This is stay in.
Yeah. That can stay, yeah, it can stay there.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. Feel it? You feel it?
Yeah, man, she said it's strong. Let me make you feel it. She feel it. It's firm, I tell her, say it's firm.
Holy, what space I got to take up in the house, you know?
The iron or the feel.
And I say, them have, you know, them have the full wider.
Yeah.
The full
But this
wide.
have probably go for the TV there. Or them have a mobile TV. TV that for move.
The next match is strong.
Later.
Yeah. I got push out still. Alright guys, so this is the board one that's set up.
I'm safe by you to
Yeah.
the river and thing, yeah?
Yeah, cool. Alright. Guys, see it there, so.
10 times better than wait near my and running on my you.
Yeah, I don't problem with my Akeynote have with it, when me have with it too, it's too low.
No man, good man.
It's good enough, boom, it's good enough,
But
but
on the right eye,
yeah.
right eye it there on. It's not be tall up like them one I got that. My bigger baby.
You know how big I make this.
So then we have to go slide on.
Yeah.
Slide under.
What slide on that? Turn around to slide on that. To slide on that.
So guys, so as you can see. But as I mentioned, some of them higher than this, you know. Cause you can see the first part.
Some of them higher.
Yeah, cause see the first part here, some of them can sit down while the bed is there. But that one, you know, so high. You know. This one is not so high. So basically them have to just lie down when a time for go lie down, but them can't sit down. As though them don't want to sit down. So how much for the ladder there? How up here say there?
No, them have them
Downstairs. How much for him say the ladder? Screw on him say?
Round there, so. See the part on there, that's screw on right there, so.
Right here, so it's screw on.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, it's all
Anytime you be bumble and start give me my money, you tell me I'll quality fucker.
Give her our money. Give her our money.
Number 7, see number 10, and see number 7.
This is safer.
Alright guys, so here what's gonna happen. So we're gonna work with a board bed. So we just pay for it. So we have to get a transportation to bring it up there, you know. So the man gave us for 60, you know, which is pretty good deal. 60 is not bad, so we work with the 60. So tell me what you think, you know. So everyone said board, get the board. So I get the board instead of the metal. Tell them so after a while the screws them and all of that can wear out. So the board feels sturdy as well too, so it can work as it's firm. So I guess it will last them longer, you know. So So let me know what you think. Leave your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me what you think. You know, so we all say bored. Everyone say bored. Everybody say bored. Pineda say bored. Boom 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 say bored. Everybody say bored.
Work last for longer. And as the lady said, if anything you can use another little piece and patch it up. The iron you can't patch it up.
Yeah.
The iron can be used more than make back one.
Yeah. Jingle man, Cola man, man. Alright guys, so we're gonna head back out now and see. Come on, England!
Something like this.
Alright guys, so that concludes our hunting for the bed, the bunk bed for the kids, you know, which is 6 to 5, so they know we have to go pay to bring it up, you know. So we're gonna check and see, because we're still gonna need a bed now for the mom and dad, and also we're gonna need a chest drawer as well too, you know, for the mom and dad as well. So let's see what I go on.
Man, them want to turn around here.
Joshua not there. Not there. We'll get from the woman. Get too jelly for the woman. You have a small buckle them?
No, I have bottles, but I don't have any.
The one in jelly as it is? The one in jelly as it is? Yeah, alright. 1, 3 jelly, 3 of it. Yeah.
If you want the sweet one, you're gonna have to take the one that has little bit on the other side. That's the one my sure says sweet.
Alright, yeah, that's the one I want. So, that's on the other side. Oh, the place is windy. Very windy. Guys, Joshua is not here again today. Joshua is not here. A real hustler. Thank you.
Me, what time eh?
Yeah, the water drink out.
Me don't know where water go.
Water drink out, bro. What's that?
Oh, it's me don't know.
Water them a drink out. Guys, something to drinking out the water, there's no water inside of them.
Oh, you want this?
Inside the water and disappear. Water in that boom. Oh. You can get the water one. Hey. Top the ground, so we get that meal when I get no water.
Yeah.
What is it, sweet?
Sweet genius, man.
See. Tastes like you're drinking jelly.
Guys, you know how long I'm going to drink all that jelly and wash off my heart.
Yeah.
Oh God, I tell you, a good one I'm going to drink that jelly, man.
Oh, that looks like what? Look, so long?
Yeah, man, a couple months.
Yeah. Water in this. Alright. Yeah.
A long time I see you, I don't pay attention.
If you got me come here two days ago?
Where did you come by again? Coconut water?
Yeah, the bottle, not the bottle.
But a long time I see you before that.
Yeah, better you say that.
Yes, I'm right.
I want the sound like a dragon. That belch just sound like a one dragon pass through. Yeah, the belch just sound like a one dragon. Come like that soup that black from the centuries ago.
I normally have my spoon in and I know what I've seen. Please be gentle. And on the 3 days I want.
Okay. Yeah, what?
Thank you.
That's good.
Kino lifestyle video. He mean it, you know, I'm going to go watch it. No, sir. I remember me in the video, you know. Yeah. I'm going to go take it to you. No, we are going to watch it. Oh. Yeah.
Akeynote. Yeah.
So, how many video cut go? How many video go? So, how the video just done, so? No, man. Me have to go fry and see me can't find it little more pan this. No, sir. I can't eat that. How the video just done, sir? I joke did this. No, me have to go look for this.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.